If you want to add stickers like this on TikTok, then you need to watch this video to the very end. You're welcome to AppFix and In, and my name is Daniel. So looking right here on the screen are stickers. You can see that people are actually commenting stickers on TikTok. So if this is what you want to do, this is simply how you can go about it. First, you need to go into your TikTok app like this. So the next step you need to take is to click on the search button and search for GIF. GIFs. Search for GIFs like this. So when you do that, you can go to any of the videos like this, click on any of the videos and go to the comment section. So right here on the comment section, you just need to go to the sticker that you like, tap on it and click on add to favorites. So when you do that, you now have a sticker on your TikTok app. So the next step you need to take is to move out from this place. So let's say you go to a video that you want to comment a sticker on. This is what you can simply do. You can go to the sticker like this, then go ahead and click on the comment section. So right here on the comment section, looking here, you can see the sticker option and the gallery option. So you need to go ahead and click on the sticker option like this, and looking here where you can see star, you can see emoji here, you can see star. So you just need to click on star like this, and you're going to see the stickers you already have on your phone like this. So you can go ahead and select any one. So let's say you select the one you just saved to your favorites. You can add a comment to it, or you can just send it like that on the comment section. So as you can see, this is how to send stickers on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.